Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to any video nyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ungenele. Thank you very much for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, ukulike, ukushare. Please buka nama video nama advert mangabe ke ayaqhamuka during i-video usicela ukuthi ungawaskipi, which does help a lot bafethu ukuthi ningawaskipi ama-ads. So yeah man, asiqhubeke sikhulume ngodade loya okuthiwa ke ubeziphethe ngendlela engalungile lapha ebhanoyini. Siyenza leyo video. I'm sure you did watch it. If ungayibukanga, please go and watch it now ngoba udade kuthiwa uyaphawula lapha nobonakala kwi-video exakazisana nabasebenzi ebhanoyini. Usewaphawula uSisters emveni kokuthi kuthiwe i-SABC bazothatha inyathelo ngaye, something like that. Now owesifazane ukuthiwa ke ubengalawuleke ebhanoyini ebelisuka eThekwini liya eKapa ngolesine uthi ubehlaselwa nesoka lakhe. So she is saying yena ke nesoka lakhe bebehlaselwa and then maybe they have to hlasela back whatever was happening there. Now unkosikazi Nobuntu Nobs Mkhize ubhale ekhasini okukholakala ukuthi ngelake kaFacebook ngomgqibelo ebonga ke ukwesekwa. Ngizonameka ama-post wakhe the way ngiwabone ngakhona. So i-video yakhe ke isematheni ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ubonakala kungathi abasebenzi basebhanoyini bazama ukumbamba bambophe izandla kodwa uyanqabashiya athuke futhi nenhlamba. So kuze kuqhamuka wesilisa ofike athethise abanye abagibeli abazama ukusiza abasebenzi bese ehlala eduze kwakhe emcela ukuthi akehlise umoya. Sizobuyela back to kuleya video just in case leya video yaqala awuzange wayibona. Sizoletha ke ama video la ukukhulunywa ngawo udade ukuthi uye waziphatha ngendlela engekho right ebhanoyini, yet she is isisebenzi sakwa SABC. Asami siyobuka lawo ma video and then we come back and continue.
I'm and my family, and let's move on. Okay. She has no rights. Okay. No rights. Black people in this country have a problem of shutting up. But if I was white, that would be the Thank you. Yes.
Now so ke kuthiwa behamba nowesilisa othile nabathi ke lona wesilisa ke uyefana nesoka lakhe ukhazi phakama siphezulu umthalane alifake lapha na Facebook. Now ePaula uNobs okuthiwa uyindodakazi yoqweqwe lwentatheli engasekho uKhaba Mkhize uthe yena nesoka lakhe bebehlaselwa ebhanoyini abameli bambaphezulu kwalolu daba kusho ke yena udade laphana. Let me see siyabona ke kunesithombe. I think this is a Facebook post ngizoyilahlela nje wamina on my screen. Now if FlySafair ibingakaphawula ngalolu daba ke abanye abantu ezinkundleni zokuxhumana bathe i-Airports Company South Africa neFlySafair kumele ke yenze ngaye isibonelo ngoba indlela aziphathe ngayo ayamukelekile. Ngomunye lapha nobhalile othiwa nguMasigo wathi na ACSA and FlySafair need to make an example out of her. This behavior cannot be tolerated. She is actually disgusting. That was someone. Then ukhona postile ke lelo daba ke bathe FlySafair incident yesterday Durban to Cape Town, hope she is in jail. Bekhuluma ke ngayo udade ukuthi asethembe uyaboshwa ngendlela aziphatha ngayo since iSABC ithe yona ke bazobona ukuthi benze njani ngaye. So ume Paula ke yena uthi yena bebehlaselwa yena nesoka lakhe asazi ukuthi ubehlaselwa ngandlela thizeni lapha yana simbona ke ephusha omunye udade ngenhloko kanje very aggressively, so I do not know. Upostile lana, let's see, ipostile lana iti Nobs post, Nobs Mkhize is with Kazi Phakama Siphezulu. Wathina, thanks guys for your support. Traumatic viral video of my boyfriend and I attacked on that plane. Our lawyers are on it. But sisters, now it looks like now you were attacking, and you know there are terms and conditions when it comes to contract yakho yemsebenzi and all that. So yeah, man, you guys, angazi kuningi when it comes to that sister that was misbehaving laphana kuleya ndiza ke bafowethu i-SABC ngathi ayijabule neze ngebehavior yakhe, bathi bazothatha inyathelo ngaye. Angazi ishuvo lakho comment section, like, subscribe, share, asibonane futhi kwenye ezilandela. Bye.